wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best countertop epoxies. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Although it has a smell to it, the Giani Granite Top Coat Kit is a more than adequate choice, as long as you don't mind waiting for your house to air out. You'll also need to wait a while for it to cure, perhaps longer than many similar products require. It's shiny and glossy and made in the USA. However, it's not great over white surfaces. At number 9, you can fix breakages with this Loctite quickset, which arrives with 2 4-ounce bottles, one each of resin and hardener. It'll bond just about anything you can imagine, from stone to tile to glass, making it a versatile option for an assortment of projects. It's good for some rigid plastics too, and works well for arts and crafts, but its shelf life could be longer. Coming in at number 8 on our list, you'll have a start-to-finish overhaul with the rust-oleum Transformations Kit, a multi-layer system that breathes new life into worn laminate surfaces, whether in your kitchen or restroom. Offered in several colors, it also fits in with most decor schemes. It comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and is available in 2 sizes. However, it's not exactly simple to complete. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Countertop Epoxies, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, because the Incredible Solutions tabletop is self-leveling and formulated for exceptional air release, it's the way to go for beginners and the DIY impaired. That said, some find the instructions to be less than useful, so you might need help from online tutorials. It resists yellowing over time and has a high gloss finish and a consistent thickness. Moving up our list to number 6. You don't get a huge amount of product with the rust-oleum Park Super Glaze, but because one pour is as thick as 75 coats of varnish, you probably won't need a lot for compact areas. Expect it to cover around 6 square feet in total. It dries in about 4 or 5 hours and comes in at a budget-friendly price. However, there are some occasional issues with curing. Halfway up our list at number 5. Repairing stone can be tricky, but the epox-sci Instant Install 29 takes some of the stress away. In fact, the 29 in its name is taken from its curing time, in that it goes from start to finish in only 29 minutes, 14 for working and 15 for drying. It's good for chips and cracks and sets very strong, but it is best for smaller jobs. At number 4, got a larger job to tackle? Then you might check out the East Coast Resin 2-gallon. It allows you to cover around 50 square feet and is safe for a wide variety of surfaces, including wood, stone, metal and more. You can also use it for art projects. It's thick and easy to level and has a work time of about 30 minutes. However, some find that it dries foggy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Instead of buying everything you'll need piecemeal, you might take a look at this versakoat 1-gallon kit, which comes with a drill mixer tool, a squeegee spreader, a trowel spreader and 4 mixing sticks. You'll even get helpful instructions. It boasts first-rate clarity and is good for up to 16 square feet. It doesn't have an irritating smell either. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Countertop Epoxies, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for smaller jobs, the Countertop Epoxy FX Poxy is a clear and durable choice, one that should dry in just 36 hours. And because it's a food-safe selection, you could even prepare meals or roll out dough directly on top of it if you wanted. It's good for coffee tumblers too, and is an odorless formulation with no harmful VOCs. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if your kitchen or bathroom could be described as sun-drenched, then the Pro Marine Supplies Crystal Clear is a fine option to consider, as it's UV resistant to avoid annoying yellowing. Its water resistance is excellent as well. You get 1 gallon of product and is moderately priced and not prone to fish eyes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Countertop Epoxies, or simply click beneath this video.